This one's similar to number 2. I need to find the tangent line, or sorry, 2a. I need to find the tangent line to this thing at x equal to pi over 8. So I'm going to do the same thing I did with 2. I'm going to write my point slope form. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. And it's just a matter of figuring out what those different numbers are, the y1, the m, and the x1, these three. And then I've got my equation. I don't have to simplify it at all. So I already know that I have x minus, that x value there is pi over 8. Now I want to find the y1. So to find the y1, I plug in pi over 8 to this thing. So y of pi over 8 is equal to cosine of, well, when I multiply pi over 8 by 2, I'll show it, 2 pi over 8. Notice that these cancel out a little bit. I can divide the 2 into the 8 and get cosine of, in the bottom I get a 4, in the top I get a pi. So I got to get cosine of pi over 4. Now, shouldn't be too bad with the trig stuff. That's the 45-degree angle. You should know that both the x and the y values at 45 degrees, or pi over 4, are root 2 over 2. So that gives me that this value is root 2 over 2. So that's my y1. So I'm going to write y minus root 2 over 2 like that equals, and now I just have to fill in that last piece. So I need the slope of that function at the value that I'm looking for. So I need to find y prime of pi over 8. So to do that, I'm going to derive y. Y is equal to cosine of 2x. Has a little bit of chain rule in it. Y prime is, I get a 2 out front. Derivative of cosine is minus sine, and then the guts stay the same, 2x, like that. So from here, I now simply have to plug in my pi over 8 to this thing. So I get y equals minus 2 times sine of, and I get the same thing happening here, so I'm just going to write my pi over 4, which is, I just kind of said, you know, when we're at 45 degrees, pi over 4, sine and cosine are both root 2 over 2. So this whole thing right here becomes root 2 over 2. So I get minus 2 times root 2 over 2. Which these guys cancel. I get minus root 2. So that just goes in for my m. So I put a minus root 2 right there like that.